So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do in Jotform is add in a weekly appointment planner widget as well. So to go ahead and do that, you can click on add element. And once you do that over here under widget, you can go ahead and see that there's weekly appointment planner. If I were to go ahead and click, then this planner is added in. So you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So you can go ahead and remove it out as you want. You can see that you can add in a quota for the selection as well. So let's say the unlimited one right here, I'm going to say is for Thursday right here. So let's just go around and remove out Friday, Saturday, Sunday right here. And then change around the limit quota from a Monday to let's say 15. Tuesday, let's say it's going to be 5. And Wednesday, it's going to be 8 right here. So you can see the available limits right here, and you can even go ahead and say the max number of selection right here will be 2 right here, just like this. You can only select 2 of them. So let's just go ahead and update this. And as I do that, let's just go ahead and preview out the form right here. And once you do that, you can select, let's say, for example, Monday right here. Then you can select Wednesday. You cannot select Tuesday because we actually added in a limit quota. So you can see Monday and Wednesday. So now let's just go ahead and add in my name and then do a submission. You can see there's 15 and 8 right here. So I submitted. Let's fill again right here. And once I fill again, what happens is that you can see that the quota actually decreased from 15 to 14 and so forth. So what happens is that I can go ahead and only select it a certain number of times right here. And then as I do that, what happens is that the quota will be, let's say, decreased. And as it decreases, it does not actually allow me to go ahead and select it out. And you can see that it gets updated right here, just like this as well. So this is basically how you can go ahead and work around with the weekly appointment planner widget right here. And as with any other widget, you can go around over here onto properties and then change around, let's say, for example, the width and height of it. So let's say I can go for 700 width right here. You can change around the height right here as you want, but it already has a default height, so it does not really matter. You can enable and disable with the label right here and change around the advanced settings as you want as well. So this is basically how you can go ahead and work around with the weekly appointment planner widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.